To use the features shown in this video, you will need to use EverWeb 4.0 or higher for macOS or Microsoft Windows. EverWeb's minimum font size feature allows you to easily scale your text to suit whichever device you are displaying your page upon. You can apply this feature to TextBoxes, the styled text editor, and to blog posts. You can make any text in a text box instantly scalable. Simply highlight the text you want to scale, then go to the text inspector if it is not already displayed. You will see the font size of your selected text displayed in the default font size field, for example, 36 point. Further down the fonts section of the text inspector is the minimum font size field. If the field is set at 0, the text will not be scaled. In this example, the default font size is 36 point, so you could set the minimum font size to 18 point. Once you have set the default and minimum font size, you can test out the scaling of your text. Simply reduce the right-hand side of the EverWeb app. You should see the text size seamlessly reduce down from 36 to 18 point. When finished, set the EverWeb app window back to its original width. Whilst it is useful to have scalable fonts as and when you need them, it is often better to set up your scalable fonts as defaults. Using the above example, the selected text was linked to a paragraph style. Therefore, you can update the paragraph style to include the minimum font size value by clicking on the blue Update button to the right of the paragraph style. Alternatively, you can update any paragraph style using the Format, Default Styles dialog box. In the Paragraph Styles section, select the paragraph style you want to update. Enter the minimum font size value that you want to use for the paragraph style. Click on Save when finished. You can also take advantage of minimum font size in the styled text editor, which is used in the Flexbox, text section, and PayPal widgets. To use the minimum font size feature, you will need to associate your text with one or more paragraph styles. To do this, just select the text you want, then choose the paragraph style from the drop-down menu at the top of the styled text editor. If you ever want to change the minimum font size value, use either the Format, Default Styles menu option or the Text Inspector. The same principle also applies when using the blog post editor, as with the styled text editor. Simply highlight the text in the blog post editor that you want to be scalable, then click on the Paragraph Style button in the blog post editor toolbar. Select the paragraph style that you want to use. Again, to change the minimum font size, use either the Format, Default Styles menu option or the Text Inspector.